Welcome. In front of me I have LG K62 Plus, and today I'll show you how we can add another account to Google Play Store. You have to open your Play Store, tap on the right upper corner, click to add another account. Use verification method. Input your new account. I will use this one. Click next if you input, and then you have to go for the password. So let's input the password. Right now, click next. Tap agree. You can save or not save password, you have to decide. And when you click on the right upper corner, as you can see, we are in the two accounts and we can easily switch between them by choosing just like that. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and of course, subscribe to our channel.